Welcome back to the Stratosphere, and not as advertised, we're rally crossing. Well, not me, although it was tempting. But yeah, just a quick trip down the road to Camp Verde to watch AZRA, the Arizona Rally Association, and their boys beating it out around the dirt. And it was quite a lot of fun. So there's a little bit of the Stratos.
Car 420 entering our roundabout. In the last half of our course.
Gotta love the guy in the old Volvo. Turns out he's from Norfolk in England. Car 555 exited has finished the course with a time of Car 84 has launched. Car 24 has finished. Car 79, the red. Car 16 has passed the start line and is now making it through the first turn. It's a Car 16 is on the course. And here he goes. Anyway, that was all that, and quite fun too. Quite fancy a go myself, but not in this Stratos. One of the guys that came over actually to admire the Stratos was saying that if he was going to build one, he'd have to build two, one for the street and one for events such as this, and he's quite right. Perhaps I should put that on my list of things to do. The alternative would be to use my buddy David's WRX. It's rather worse for wear, and he sold to Mike at IDR, so maybe we should talk them into doing that. Anyway, next up, driving the Stratos, I promise, with some shots from outside the car of it going by. Yes, my buddy David, aforementioned, will be coming over tomorrow evening, and we're going to be doing that round the block. Yeah, cool. So, as usual, thanks for tuning in. Again, if it is indeed again, if it's the first time, then and you haven't already, subscribe down here somewhere and give the video a thumbs up. And of course, encourage others to watch my lunacy.